Next question, student. Question number 18. A police van moving on a highway with a speed of 30 km per hour fires a bullet at a thief's car speeding away in the same direction with a speed of 192 km per hour. If the muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 meter per second, so speed of the bullet which is 150 meter per second, with what speed does the bullet hit the thief's car? Obtain that speed which is relevant for damaging the thief's car. So student, in this case, police van moving in a highway with a speed of 30 km per hour fires a bullet at a thief's car speeding away in the same direction with a speed of 192 km per hour, and muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 meter per second, and we have to find speed of the bullet with which it hit the thief car. So student, in simple way we can find the relative speed of the bullet with respect to what? Thief's car. And speed of police van given, which is 30 km per hour, can be converted into meter per second multiplied by 5 by 18. So speed of police van comes out to be the 25 by 3 meter per second, not kilometer, meter per second. This is meter per second. And speed of bullet which is given 150 meter per second. Speed of thief's car which is 192 km per hour, and this 192 km per hour converted into meter per second multiplied by 5 by 18, and it comes out to be that 160 by 3 meter per second. And student, bullet is fired with a speed of 150 meter per second from the moving van, from the moving police van. So in this case, the speed of police van is shared by the bullet. So speed of police van is shared by bullet. So we can write relative speed of bullet with respect to ground, and which is equal to what? Speed of police van is shared by bullet. It means what? So actual relative speed of the bullet with respect to ground, it means what? It comes out to be that is what? Vb plus Vp, and Vb, that is what? 150, and Vp, that is what? 25 by what? 3, and it comes out to be that 475 meter per second. So relative speed of bullet with respect to ground. Here one thing that is key point, bullet is fired along from the moving van. So speed of the police van is shared by bullet. So relative speed of bullet with respect to ground, which is equal to sum of speed of police van and speed of bullet, and it comes out to be that 475 meter per second. And with what speed of bullet hit the thief's car, and we have to find the relative speed of bullet with respect to what? Thief's car. With this speed, bullet hit the thief's car. So relative speed of bullet with respect to Thief's car we can write in this manner, that is relative speed of bullet with respect to Thief's car, which is what? Vb minus Vt, and the relative speed of bullet with respect to gun, which is what? 475 by 3. So we can write here 475 minus speed of Thief's car 160 by, this will not 5, that is what? 3. 160 by 3. So it comes out to be that 5761, and it is 413, and student 3, and it comes out to be that 105. So it comes out to be that what? 105 meter per second. Relative speed of the bullet with respect to Thief's car we obtained by using formula Vbt equal to Vb minus Vt, you know that. So this is the speed. This is the speed of the bullet with which it hits the Thief's car, and this speed is what? 105 meter per second.